Are you ready to draw Eeyore?
I am. Let's get started.
All right, let's find the middle of our paper. And right here, I'm going to draw a little mountain and another little mountain, two right on top of each other. Then I'm going to draw a line going from not quite the top. It's going to go straight down through the two lines and stop just a little bit below them. Just above the bottom, I'm going to draw a U. Coming up to the top, I'm going to draw a curved line coming out and down, and it stops just a little above those two dots. And this side over here, I'm going to bring it out, curving it more like a C. I'm going to extend this line just a little bit past, like that. Now I'm going to do a U, but it's going to be a little bit of a diagonal U. It goes down and out. And it should end about the same distance as this one. From there, I'm going to take a little curve out. See how it curves back in? And it's going to come around. And these two are going to meet up. Now coming up here, I'm going to start just a little ways out again, just like on that side. I'm going to do a nice big curved line coming out, almost to the side of my page. That's how far it went. And then right here, I'm going to come a little ways up and draw a U curving out to meet up. Right down the middle, almost touching right there, I'm just going to draw a line, and it ends right in the middle right there. I'm going to do a similar thing from here, but I want to kind of follow this, so I'm going to, but the opposite way. So I'm going to go out and down, and then I'm going to bring this so that this meets up with those two lines. And I'm going to draw another line down the middle, just like that. Now right where this point is, I'm going to come in, and right in between these two, I'm going to draw a circle. And we can go ahead and color that in black. It's going to be a black circle right there. And do the same thing on the other side. And it's going to be colored in. I'm going to keep making it a little bigger till it matches with the other side. There we go. Up here on top, I'm going to draw a little triangle going up. I'm going to draw one a little sideways, goes up to a point, curves back around, almost like an oval looking thing. And then I'm going to color those in as well. This is just a little bit of hair on top of his head. Over on this side, I'm going to come down from this point, and right below it, I'm just going to do a little curved line. Same thing on the other side, coming down, little curved line. Off that curved line, I'm going to do a little diagonal. Off that curved line, I'm going to do a little diagonal. Same thing on the other side, just a little diagonal. And then I'm going to make almost an oval. It's going to come up just a little bit and out. But I'm going to stop at the bottom because it's going to come sideways. Just past that right there. So it just came a little further. Same thing on the other side. It's going to come up. We want it about the same size. And curve down. And turn it and just bring it in a little bit past there. Now right here, I'm just inside there. I'm going to draw a line with a slight curve, curving out. Same thing on the other side. Slight curve, curving out. And I'm going to create a U at the bottom that comes up and in. Like that. Same thing over here. I'm going to do a curve on the edge and bring it in and curve it up. There we go. And then right here in the middle, I'm just going to do a little U. Now from this arm to this arm, I'm going to do a little half circle. Almost done, just a couple more things. Over here on this foot, I want to draw an oval right inside his foot. So I'm just going to follow along with a full oval. Same thing on this side. Follow along the edges with an oval. And then right up here on this one side, I do want to do one eyebrow coming up and out. We'll do part of one on this side. It's covered up a little bit, but I'm just going to draw a little piece of an eyebrow going into his ear. And the last thing, from over here, I just want to draw a curved, slightly curved line coming right across there. There we go. He is done and ready to be colored.
All right, this might be one of my favorite drawings. Are you ready to see the final product? I hope you had as much fun as I did. Be sure to like, be sure to follow, and please subscribe because I would love to have you come back for more How to Draw. Bye.